Hello there, my name is Mr. Chuku. I'm here to take you on an exciting journey through the world of science. In this lesson, we will learn about contact and non-contact games. With contact games, physical touch is acceptable. A game like Taekwondo, Taekwondo, is a great example of contact games. Let's find out more about the game Taekwondo. Taekwondo is a martial art or system of fighting which is of Korean origin. It is similar enough to the Japanese karate. Taekwondo is based on the use of the hands and feet in order to attack or to be defended from an opponent. Although some techniques use fingertips, elbows or knees in order to strike the opponent. Taekwondo is a national sport in South Korea that refers to a great tradition of Korean martial arts. In the Olympic Games of Seoul 1988 and of Barcelona 1992, it became an Olympic sport of exhibition or presenting real Olympic Games. But now it has come to be an Olympic sport of competition. Taekwondo is best known for its use of kicks. This makes it different from other martial arts such as karate or some forms of Southern Kung Fu. Kicking is important because the leg is the most powerful and longest part of the body that the martial artist can use as a weapon. Therefore, a fighter who kicks well can hurt his opponent without hurting himself. One of the most important exercises is the act of practicing the arranged groups of movements of defense and of attack. They help the fighter practice a combat against different kinds of opponents, and they are related directly to the different degrees of belts. They are done with the purpose to improve the balance, the flexibility, the speed and the control of the different movements. Taekwondo is a sport and as an exercise is popular among people of both sexes and many ages. It develops force, speed, balance, flexibility and stamina. It also involves strong mental focus. Breaking boards, for example, demonstrates a union of mental and physical discipline. Breaking a board with one's hand or foot requires both the physical mastery of the technique and a concentrated focus on one's force. Even though some things in Taekwondo have changed over the years, respect is not one of those things. Respect is the biggest part of Taekwondo. Without respect, Taekwondo would not be the great art it is today. Some of the things that have changed are the belts. The original colors are still the same. But every time you test, you either receive a new belt or receive a stripe to place on your current belt. Legend has it that long ago, there was just one belt. There still were colors though. White was the color the belt was originally. Yellow was the color achieved through sweat soaking into the belt. Green was a color that came through practicing outside and falling. Blue was the color of the sky. Red was the color of blood. And black was the color of all the dirt mixing with everything else on the belt. There are several worldwide Taekwondo associations. The most known of them are World Taekwondo Federation (WTF). It promotes the Olympic version of Taekwondo. International Taekwondo Federation (ITF). After the death of its founder, ITF has been divided into several organizations. Global Taekwondo Federation (GTF). Taekwondo International (TI), American Taekwondo Association (ATA). That was interesting, right? Now, let us remind ourselves some important things we learned in the lesson. A. Taekwondo is a martial art or system of fighting which is of Korean origin. B. It is similar enough to the Japanese karate. C. Taekwondo is based on the use of the hands and feet in order to attack or to be defended from an opponent, although some techniques use fingertips, elbows or knees in order to strike the opponent. D. Taekwondo as a sport and as an exercise is popular among people of both sexes and many ages. E. Taekwondo develops force, speed, balance, flexibility and stamina. It also involves strong mental focus. Wow! Thank you for spending some time with me in this lesson. It was fun learning something new. In the next lesson, we will learn more interesting things. Until then, bye for now.